Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off get birthday notifications on Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now to stop getting the birthday notifications from Viber on your phone, first open up your Viber app. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, tap on settings option available for us just above my notes. And again, tap on the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. Tap on media, and over here guys, tap on the notifications option available for us just below the privacy. Tap on notifications, and you can see the third option where it says the get birthday notifications. Receive birthday notifications on your phone notification bar. Make sure the tick mark at the right side of it is unticked. By that way guys, you will stop getting the birthday notifications from Viber on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off get birthday notifications on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.